Too cute. Who's gonna eat the big foods? Who's gonna eat the kibbles? You gonna eat the kibbles, Sean? Here, Becky will share. So cute. They just woke up from a nice long nap, so hopefully they'll be pretty scampy once they eat, and I assume have a potty break. So cute. She's so funny when she eats. She's so particular. She smushes the food around with her face to find just the right fuzz. She's pretty funny. Pretty funny. So cute. These guys will be available for adoption in about 3 weeks or so. And they are adorable. Oh, she's funny. She is too funny. Hi. Hi, little Becky. Beyonce slept with me in the morning, but other than that, they all slept in their scratching post. Look at your dirty little face. Look at your dirty little face. So cute. You gonna go to the bathroom? You gonna make your way over to the potty? They have been the best kittens with learning the litter box, especially considering they don't have Mama to show them. They had a few poop accidents, and that was pretty much it. Other than that, they've remained in the litter box. Hi, John. Becky, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? John, what? You have food on your nose. Hi. Hello. Are you still slurping? You're silly. doing? Are you all finished there, dirty face? Oh, look at that belly. That big belly. That dirty face. That's a big belly. I have a feeling she's going to break 600 grams tonight. Yes. Woo. I think she was 584 last night. Hi, Sean. Where are you going? Are you going over to the potty? Or are you just being silly? Oh, you're such a big boy. You're such a big boy. Hello? Becky's going to the litter box. Good job, Becky. Are you going to give me your bathroom woes? What about you? And what are you doing? Playing with... Oh, did I scare you? Scratching up all the rugs. Hey, you. You're not supposed to be scratching up the rugs. Silly kittens. Come on, Bee. Come on. Yes, I know you follow me around. You're like my little shadow. You're like my little shadow. Yeah, I know. You are. Oh, big jumps. So cute. Adorable. What are you doing? Hey, kittens. They're playing with the purple rug. I can hear you being mischievous. Come play with the toys. Come and play with the toys. Silly babies. Silly little babies. Get it, Becky. Get it. You guys are too cute. Get it, Sean. Get it. Oh, good boy. Be you little scamp. Big jumps. You guys being playful? What are you doing? Beyonce in a bowl. So cute. You're too funny. Adorable. Beyonce in a bowl. Sean in a basket. Too cute. Get him, Becky. You're not the most graceful of kitties there, Miss Becky. Silly. Hugs. Brother and sister hugs. Oh, Sean won. Too cute. Where are you going, Becky? You guys are beating each other up over in that basket. Go get them. Too cute. Oh, attacking the camera. You guys are silly. Run, Becky, run. Beyonce's on the loose. You little scamp. Sean found the ball. Get it, Sean. What's everybody doing? Zoomies. Zoomies. What are you doing making all those cute noises? Huh? What are you doing? You're crazy. You're a crazy kitten. You're a crazy kitten. A crazy kitten. So cute. Back up onto the bed, huh? What are you doing? I got a kitten on my lap. Hi, Bee. Scampy kitten. You having fun, Becky? What are you doing over here, Missy? What are you doing? Silly kittens. Get it, Becky. Go get it. What are you doing, John? Where are you going? You guys are so silly. Zoom. Silly kittens. What are you doing up here? Hi. Hello. Becky's out like everything's all normal again. What are you doing? You little scamp. What are you doing? scamp. You're such a little scamp. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Woo. She landed on her feet. Going back up for more. You're so silly. They're actually pretty good at night. They are pretty good. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, you. Where are you going? Where are you going? Getting into trouble. I have linoleum. I just use hot water and sometimes dish soap, but that's it. And I generally clean it up with like a cloth versus a towel, just because it's less garbage. Less trees that are being killed. I don't have linoleum, sorry, I have laminate. What am I talking about? I'm completely lying. Linoleum is best though. So cute. What are you doing, Bee? Are you fishing for the best slurp? Making a mess of everything? You're so silly. There you go. Cleaning up the bowls keeps the kittens clean and keeps their mat clean, which just works good for everything. So good. The mat I actually found from the Dollarama, and I got 2 of them because they matched the bowls. It's just pink, and it's silicone. They had pink and blue, and so it's really easy to wash, and there's a little lip, so if there was any sort of slight spillage of water, hopefully it would keep some of it on the mat. And the bowls are all from Amazon. And most of the toys are from wonderful sponsor meowies and aunties and very kind people that have donated to my fosters. And they will be available for adoption in about 3 weeks. lapsbc.ca/adopt. You can have your own bowl now, Bee. Look at you making a mess. Digging around, trying to get the best Slurp. She's so funny. No wonder you're always so dirty. So Beyonce suckles her fuds, and Sean has fallen asleep in the food dish on Periscope. Silly baby kittens. Silly kittens. Look at you. Look at that belly. Look at that belly. Look at the belly. Bee is still looking for the best slurp. And Sean has gone up into his cave, potentially to go back to having a nap. Where are you going? Are you going to my slipper? You're silly. You're silly. You're silly. They don't need any now because my room is warm enough and they're old enough to keep their own body temperature. Hee, little tumble. You're so cute. When they were younger, they had a heating pad. What are you doing, Sean? Zoom. How dirty are you this time? Hey, Miss B. How dirty are you this time? You're pretty dirty. You're pretty dirty. Hi. Yeah, it's hard to get up because you have such a big belly. Oh, look at that belly. Oh, look at that belly. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're silly. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you're so funny. You are so funny. Look at those toe beans. Look at those toe beans. Becky's back on. What do you think you're doing? Huh? Oh, you're going in my slippers too? Hey now, those are my legs and my pants. Hey now, hey now, hey now. Mm. You're silly. You are so silly. Go get her, Becky. Alright, everyone. I'm going to end the Periscope. Oh, it's so cute. We'll see you guys tomorrow night, Sunday, 8 o'clock, Kitten Standard Time. Sean is fast asleep. Thank you so much for tuning in and checking out the cute little babies. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Thanks for watching.